going to show you a tool right now that is going to help you extract data from Google Maps. All right, this is incredible. Get ready, get strapped in. That link down below is going to get you this tool. Let me show you what it can do. Let's go over and hit the extension up at the top. Okay, open this up and your tool's about to begin. So let's get straight into the keyword. You're going to type in your keyword in the place you want to search, just in there, and press start. It's going to open up in a new browser for you. All right, once it's in the new browser for you, you can see it's going to start searching. Open up the extension again, and it'll go through the whole of Google Maps. Now, guys, it can get you literally thousands of leads, right? There's no limit on this. If you're looking for a tool that can get you hundreds to thousands of leads every single couple of minutes doing this, this is the one. All right, guys, super excited about this. I'm going to show you how to export it as well. Because we love you on this channel, we want you to have a head start. So hit that export button in the bottom left. All right, the bottom left of that green box is going to come up with two options. You're going to hit download a CSV. Once you've done that, you want to go to where it's downloaded on your computer and drag it into an empty Google Drive folder. Why are you going to do that? Because you're going to open up in Google Sheets. That gives you the correct format. Okay, so you double click this, open it up with Google Sheets, and look at this. We have got you every bit of information you could ever dream about. All right, everything on here. Look at this. Not just website links, but everything on here, guys. This is why it's so fantastic, and you need to be using this tool. How long would it take you to get all this information? Look, we've even got the star reviews, the websites, phone numbers, zips, everything, guys. All right, so please use this tool. Get involved right now and start utilizing your business better. All right, this is incredible. You can see the websites here. So we've got Hard Rock at the top. You can count how many websites in total we managed to get. Let me know how many there is. All right, I reckon there's going to be around the 700 mark. Maybe I'm a little bit less. Okay, but I know this because there you go, 543. Perfect, guys. So now, guys, how do you actually buy the Google Map Scraper? So go over to leads-sniper.com, hit the product site at the top, and click Google Map Scraper. Now, as you scroll down this new tab that's opened up, it's going to give you all the information that I've already shared with you, okay? And it will show you exactly what it will extract in total. Okay, all the information on it is fantastic. Please dive into this yourself. But to actually buy this, go all the way down to you see where it says, which subscription would you like to choose? Now, you can get the lifetime access, all right, for $149 with that link down below. Is getting you an incredible deal, and you get one installation of the extension for this plus all the other features. If you want the lifetime access of $267 with a massive saving, you're getting 5 installations. Okay, now if you want to go what I went for and go for the best value to $389, saving so much money for the 10 extension installations, then you can just by clicking that buy now feature. Hit the download free version at the bottom, okay, and get started right now. There we go, family. Hit that link down below and get this tool right now. But do me a massive favor, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.